IndySoft has reworked its location tree structure to allow for a tree structure up to 10 levels deep for better equipment tracking. We also give customers the ability to set up custom aliasing for each of these levels. For example, I have my level 2 and 5 set up as building and shelf. You can set each up however you would like: plant, warehouse, room, bin, etc. Another benefit of the new location tree structure is the ability to set up company-specific locations versus non-company specific locations. So as you can see, I have this checkbox base level location must be a company. With that checked, my top level location must always be a company that matches the companies in my add edit list. Another benefit of the new location tree structure is the ability to set up reference locations versus storage locations. So in my location tree setup, you can see that I have an is storage field. So this field basically determines if this level, this location level, is going to, by default, be a storage location. If it is checked as a storage location, then that location is eligible to store equipment in. If it is not checked as a storage location, then that location is not eligible to store equipment in. It is just a reference location. Another benefit of the aliasing is improved searching. So if I wanted to search for my equipment in Equipment Finder, I can directly search on building, storage ID, building or storage ID shelf is exactly Angie's office. That's going to pull down everything that is contained inside of my building. Along with that, we have a new object in the equipment view field layout, which dynamically shows you each location level and will bold the location that the equipment is currently stored in. So what's nice about this object is that it's interactive. So if I double click on any of these levels, for example, Angie's desk, it's going to immediately pull up that location in the Locations tab and bring me there. So I can see Angie's desk and the equipment that is stored there. The very last benefit of using the new location tree structure is it allows for extended functionality. You can use the location tree structure with RFID and Indigo to better track your equipment as well.